Welcome to Color Spectrum Guide, your go-to spot for color inspiration. From paint to fashion, we help you master the power of color. Subscribe for more vibrant ideas. Today, you'll learn how to use the color wheel like a designer, even if you're a beginner. The color wheel is a visual tool that shows how colors relate to each other. It's made up of primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Complementary colors are opposite each other on the wheel, like blue and orange. These pairs create strong contrast. Analogous colors sit next to each other on the wheel, like blue, blue-green, and green. They feel calm and harmonious. Triadic colors are evenly spaced on the wheel, like red, yellow, and blue. This gives your design a colorful and balanced look. Designers use these combinations in logos, posters, and even interior design. Now that you know the basics, you'll start noticing them everywhere. Thanks for watching Color Spectrum Guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more colorful ideas. See you in the next one.